Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my brows. Since I never do them on camera, I thought I would record, a video showing you guys how I do it. So personally for me, I know it's different for other people, but I like to do my brows before I actually do the rest of my face. Like, some people do it after they do their foundation and all that, but I do mine before I do anything else. I'm using this brow pencil by Anastasia. I think it's called Brow Wiz, and it is in dark brown. And I'm going to use this side of it, and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows first. And I kind of just brush them into the shape that I'm going to put them in. So I'm just brush them out. Realize I forgot to prime my face. I usually prime my face before I do this. I'm gonna be using this Bobbi Brown this face primer. I don't know, I just love this face primer. Like, my face just feels so moisturized after I use it. Like, this is my favorite face primer ever. Put it on. So I just zoomed you guys in just now, and I'm going to show you guys in detail kind of how to do them. So like I said, I brushed them out, and I'm going to take the other side, like the pencil side, and then I kind of like draw hairs, like going in an upward motion, as you can see. And then I go under my brow and lightly just kind of shape them underneath. So then I go to the bottom and kind of just shape them. Okay, so my brows, they might look messy right now, but once you put on concealer, everything comes together. So I mix my concealers. This is the NARS concealer, and then this is the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in tan, and this one is in medium dark 3. I'm going to be using this NARS concealer brush right here. So this is how it looks after I mix these two colors together, and I'm going to put this around my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm taking my brush with concealer on it, and I'm going to go under the bottom of my brows. And sorry I was talking like that, like I was just super concentrated, like. I usually go super slow on the bottom because people tend to mess up. Like, I've never messed up on my bottom, like the bottom part of my my eyebrows before, like. But people actually be doing that. So you have to go, like, really just take your time with this. So getting some more concealer, I'm gonna line the top of my eyebrows. I don't know why I keep getting lashes and eyebrows mixed up. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, okay. So that's one, and I'm going to do the other one off camera. Okay, so now that I have my brows lined, I'm going to be using this Rihanna Beauty Blender because I like the top of it, and it's just easy. It's just easier to like blend out around my brows with it. So I'm going to be using this. I'm taking it and I'm telling you, like, this Beauty Blender is perfect for this. I also like going under my eyes with it too. Like, I think it's just perfect. Okay, and for the middle, I kind of like turn it in the middle and just like press it. Okay, so this is the end results. This is how they look, and this is how I do my brows every day. So if you like this video and subscribe and all that, and I will see you guys next time.